How to replace key fob battery on Fiat 500X, Doblo in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Press the button on the key fob to remove the key blade. Step 2. Open the key fob by applying slight pressure to remove the cover. Be careful not to force it, as you may damage the case. Step 3. Use a coin or a flat blade screwdriver to remove the battery cover. Step 4. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one by pressing to the side or using a flat blade screwdriver. Use your fingers to remove the battery from the slot. The Fiat 500X uses a 3VCR2032 battery for the key, which you can find below in the video description. Insert the new battery in the same way you removed the old one, with the writing facing up. Press lightly to make sure it is firmly seated in the slot. Step 5. Put the battery cover back on and then refit the key shell. Once the new battery is installed, bring the two parts of the key shell together and press firmly until you hear a click, so the shell is securely closed. Check that there are no loose or misaligned spaces. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what worked for you. Thank you for watching.